There are several solutions to the issue at hand, being internet and online privacy and security. Many people still worry that their information will be stolen or taken advantage of, but if we put our faith in these companies and utilize other protective methods online, we can make sure that when we browse and use services online, we are protected from any potential hackers or exploiters. In this day and age, so many, if not all people on this earth, value their privacy. Everyone likes to have time to themselves and to be able to do things they enjoy in private. More often than not, people's private information online can be and has been stolen and or hacked. Just for example, recently, Wells Fargo's online banking information was breached and its users' private information was stolen and left in the open. The result of this was a major inconvenience for many users of the popular banking option. Online privacy is a very serious topic which should have people alarmed as to how vulnerable their most private information is. Important aspect of browsing on the internet. You trust these various corporations to hold your private information online so that you can use their services. But what happens when that service is breached? It results in distrust between the corporation and user, as well as turning away any potential new customers and endorsers. When someone's privacy is breached online, it can lead to a myriad of potential negative outcomes. Their information could be stolen and potentially sold to someone who wants to use it for their own personal gain, such as accessing the bank account of the user to finding their home address. If just one corporation is breached and its customers' information is leaked, that allows for the possible surfacing of all these customers' accounts across the entire web. If there is a breach on, say, Google's email service, this is arguably the worst case scenario, since Google is such a major company that manages so many other services. It even states that 57% of the population has access to the internet, which is over half the entire globe, which in turn makes for more people's information to be stolen. Possible solutions to achieving privacy online could be to install something known as a VPN. Many companies produce this virtual private network software, and it can be used to protect your information, clean and simple. Another possible yet very basic method of security and privacy on the internet is to use intricate and complicated passwords. This can be easily achieved by using a random password generator that can be found on the web just by looking it up. In addition, utilizing private browsing modes such as incognito may not seem incredibly useful, but may prove to be very effective to the general public. More privacy. We actually have more than enough privacy if you have faith in the corporation's abilities to protect your information. These organizations have several methods to help protect your information, which includes firewalls, fire vaults, and other barriers to detect people attempting to steal information. For the most part, they do an excellent job of keeping your information safe and sound within their software and security protocols. Without online privacy, nearly all of our information would be out in the open, which includes other sensitive information. In addition, identity theft is an incredibly tedious and serious offense, which can result in the person who said identity was stolen having to jump through a myriad of several hoops and hurdles, so to speak, in order to obtain their identity back.